How to download X/Twitter videos. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. This is applicable for iOS plus Android devices. So once you open the app, you choose the video you want to download. For example, we click on this video.
Flight of Starship.
Once you click on this video, you'll get an option on the top right with three dots. You click on that, and here you'll find an option of download videos. Some videos don't have these options as they are not allowing other people to download it. So if you find such accounts, you have to just copy the shared link, go on Google Chrome, search X/Twitter video downloader, and you open that website and you put the link on those websites, and you will be able to download the video. If this video helped, make sure to leave the like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.